Hello, I'm Shannon. Today I'm going to make the best 5-spice beef jerky by adding one more step, rather than just marinating and dehydrating. This extra step is to remove odor and blood from the beef and pre-cook. There are 4 tips in this step. Tip 1. Soak beef chunks in water for 3 hours. Tip 2. Add liquor into the soaking water. Tip 3. Simmer beef with ginger. Tip 4. Skim the blood foam constantly while simmering. Now you can resize the beef into your preferred shape. You can cut them into slices, bite-sized cubes, or strips. The beef will absorb flavor very well when you soak them in the marinating sauce, because they are already semi-dehydrated. Make sure every piece is coated with the sauce. Let rest for 2 hours. Well, the time in the food dehydrator for the pre-cooked beef will not be shorter than dehydrating raw marinated beef, since the beef has been rehydrated by the marinating sauce. This 5-spice beef jerky is super flavorful and chewy, but never to be too gummy. If my video is inspiring to you, please thumb up and subscribe. I'm Shanai. See you next time.